Hello, I'm back. I've been practicing 練習しました. So, here we go. Plastic airplane model review. Review, 復習ね. Recently, I bought a plastic model kit. It is a model of an F-16 fighter plane. I love the shape of this plane. Although it was fun to make this plane, I did have trouble gluing the tiny pieces. 間違いdo. I did have trouble with gluing the tiny pieces. Question: Have you ever bought a plastic model kit? Just a minute. Yes. What did you buy? Yes. Okay. I looked a few times. 何回見た? Oh, I'm sad about that. それについて悲しいね. I need to practice more. もっと練習がいります. But anyway, finished. So, in the next video, let's do our other story. So, bye for now. Bye bye.